5 ways to double your money. Number 1, the classic way: earn it slowly. When it comes to the most traditional way of doubling your money, the commercial is not too far from the truth. The time-tested way to double your money over a reasonable amount of time is to invest in a solid, balanced portfolio that's diversified between blue-chip stocks and investment-grade bonds. Number 2, the contrarian way: blood in the streets. Even the most unadventurous investor knows that there comes a time when you must buy, not because everyone is getting in on a good thing, but because everyone is getting out. Just as great athletes go through slumps when many fans turn their backs, the stock prices of otherwise great companies occasionally go through slumps, which accelerate as fickle investors bail out. As Baron Rothschild supposedly once said, smart investors buy when there is blood in the streets, even if the blood is their own. Subscribe for Part 2, 5 Ways to Double Your Money.